Hi my dear student, once again welcome to our online class. Student, today we will learn a new lesson, that is parts of the plant. So before going to learn about new lesson, we will just remember our previous what we have learnt previous lesson. So we have discussed about previous class how many types of plants are there. There are 5 types of plants are there, that is, who will say, trees, shrubs, herbs, climber and creeper. Yes student. So these things we studied about types of plant, but today we are going to learn the parts of the plant. Okay, parts of the plant body. How many types of parts are there in our plant body? But before going to start this lesson, I would like to ask one question, student. Can anyone tell me, do you have any parts of your body? Very good. We have parts. Can anyone tell me the names? Very good. Legs, hands, head, ear, eyes. So these are the parts of our body. See student, if it is there are 2 children are there, these are the parts: hand, head, ear, leg. So these are the parts of the human body or our body. So like this student, there are some certain parts also there in our plant. Okay, you see this picture, there are some certain part is there. I will tell you. So there are some parts are also there in plant body. But before going to study our parts of the plant body, I will tell you one thing. See here student, no 2 plants are the same, just as no 2 human beings are the same. Means I told you in previous class, we are not all are not same. We all are different from each other. You just compare with your friend, your family members, your brother, sister or any relative. How you are looking, your brother or sister or other your friends, they will not look same exactly how you are. So we all are different from each other according to our color, according to our body language, according to our height. So we all are different. Same, the plants also different. All plants are not same. You just look at outside and observe every tree and how many plants are there in your around. You just observe, you will find out different types of plants. That means someone is small, someone is big, someone is very tall and someone is very tiny also. So like this type of plants you might have observed in around. But like this man also you will find out when you are coming to school, you will see different types of children, means small, elder. So like this plants also different. Okay, so yet like yours, even plants have different parts and each part has its own function. Like this I told you how we have different types of parts in our body, like hand and my head, my leg, my ear, my eyes. So these are my parts of my body. Like you also, you have different parts like leg, hand. So these all human beings have different parts of our human body. So these have some their own function. Means you see, this is my hand. We can write with the help of my hand, and my leg we can walk by with the help of our leg. We can walk from one place to another place. By eyes we can see the things. By mouth we can eat. By ear we can hear. Okay. So like by nose we can smell. So like this how our different parts have different own function through which we can do different work in our daily life. Like this student, in parts have different parts of their body, plant body, and these parts have different own function. For that plant can survive or plant can live. So Let's start. What are these parts? Today we will come to know. See student, you observe very carefully. This is a coconut plant. What? Coconut plant. And you might have seen these plants in around you, because we in our daily life we will use the coconut. Sometimes also in occasionally or regularly also we will eat that coconut, and you might have seen this type of tree around you. So before going to start, you look at this picture very carefully. It is a tree, but it is comes under shrubs. It is a marigold plant. See, here also flower is there, and here also flower is there. Here leaves are there, here leaves are there. Here stem are there, here stem also there. Here roots are there, here root also there. So just I said you, there are some parts of there of our plant body. So what are they? So first parts of the plant body is, first one is root. Okay, root, R-O-O-T. One part name is root. There are 4 types of parts are there of a plant body. First one is root. Second one is stem or trunk. Third one is leaves. Fourth one is flowers. Okay, so these are the 4 parts of the plant body. How we have different parts of our body, means hand, leg, eyes, nose, ear to function different work. Like this plant have different types of parts. That is, one is root, another is stem or trunk, and third one is leaves, and fourth one is flowers. So now we will study what is root, what is stem, what is leaves, and what is flower. Okay, so it is a plant, you see, coconut plant. So this part is called, it is the soil. Inside the soil, who will be here? These are the called root. Okay, roots are there. These are the roots. So now we will start about what is roots. See student, roots, here you can see. First we will study about roots. That root will be inside the soil, hold the plant together, hold the plant to the ground. They also take in water and nutrition from the soil. Roots mostly grow under the ground. And you might have seen some of the when you will plug a plant, you will get with roots. So that root always be inside the soil. That root inside the soil. It is the soil part. It is the soil. This is the surface. This is the soil, and these are the roots. This is the coconut tree, and inside the soil roots are there. Okay, inside the soil roots are there. So what are the function of the root? Root will hold the plant. First one is root. Roots will hold the plant. Okay, roots will hold the plant. That means, hold means it will make the plant strong. Then plant can stand itself, otherwise it will fall down. How? With the help of our leg we are walking, we can stand like this. With the help of roots, a plant can stand itself. That roots will hold the plant itself. And another function of the plant, roots take water and nutrients. Nutrients. Nutrients means food. Okay, food from the soil. Inside the soil, I told you, inside the soil plants roots are there. So from soil, what will do? The roots take water and nutrition. It is very important. It will take water and nutrition from the soil. How we need water and different types of food we are eating every day, like this roots also, a plant need different types of food and water every day. So who will give? The roots will absorb. Here inside the soil different types of food and water is there, that the roots will take it. So roots take water and nutrition from the soil. Next one, roots mostly grow under the ground or soil. Okay, ground or soil. Roots mostly grow under the ground or soil. First one, roots will hold the plant. See, roots will hold the plant, plant can stand itself, otherwise it will fall down. Roots take water and nutrition from the soil. This is the soil and the roots are the inside, and the roots will absorb water and nutrition from the soil. It will give to plants. Roots mostly grow under the ground. Roots under the ground it will grow. See student, it is a plant. You can see it is a plant. This part is the root part. See, there is soil is attached, that means I plugged it, means that plant and these are the roots. These roots will first give the support to the plant, that for that a plant can stand, and these roots will absorb water and nutrition or minerals from the soil. It give to the plant body, then a plant can grow. Roots mostly grow under the ground. So these roots will grow inside the soil, means inside the ground. Understood? So now we will study about another part is second one, stem. Okay, stem or trunk, trunk. What is stem and what is trunk? See student, first we will read, hold the plant up. It takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Some stems are weak, some are strong. Stem, you see, this is the very longest part, means you see this is the very strong part. Okay, holds the plant up, means it will help to grow the plant. So this part is called stem. Okay. So it is the central part of plant body. It is the central part of plant body. This is the central part, means middle part. It is the central part of the plant body. It is very thick and it takes food and water to all parts of the plant body. It takes water and food to all parts of the plant body. Means first root will absorb water and minerals. That minerals and water who will carry? Carry means who will take from one place to another? That stem. That is the main stem will carry all parts of the plant body. This is the all parts of the plant body. The stem will carry water and minerals to all part of the plant body. It is the central part of the plant body, and it is also called stem, and that is called trunk also. So it takes or it carry food and water to all parts of the plant. See student, this is the plant I showed you. This is the plant, this is the root part, and this is called stem part. Okay, it is also called trunk. See, when will we say stem and when will we say trunk? See student, this tree and this plant, you compare this plant and this plant. Here you can see very big stem, that is called trunk. When the stem is very thin or small, we can say this is the stem. This part when it is small, we can say stem. When this part will be grow and become like this, very thick, we can say it is trunk. We can say it is thick and trunk and stem also. But when it is small, we can say stem only. When it will be big or thick, we can say it is trunk. So which is stem? Which same one is also trunk. Trunk. So this part is called stem or trunk. It is the central part. And first root will absorb water and minerals from the soil. That water and minerals, that stem will be carry all parts of the plant body. Means every leaves that will carry. Who will carry? The stem will carry water and minerals to the plant, all parts of the plant body. So first root will be absorbed from the soil. That water and minerals who will carry? The stem will be carry from the water and minerals from the root to all parts of the plant body. Understood students? So this is called root part. So this is called stem part. Now we will come to third one is leaves. Okay, what is leaves? Leaves. What is leaves? See student, leaves, what are the function of leaves? Leaves, leaves, leaves make food for the plant. See how your mommy or your parents, your dad, your mother making food for you. They are making some chapati or different types of curry for you. You are eating like this. For plant, who is making the leaves? See that leaves will make the, this is the leaf part. leaves, leaves. These are the leaf part. Okay, these are the leaf part. That leaf part will make the food for the plant body. So this is the leaves. These leaves will making food for the plant body. For that plant can grow from small to big. So I will show you student. See how, here you see. This is the plant, and I said you this is the root part. This is the stem part or trunk part, and these are the leaves. See how many leaves are there. For a one plant, there are many leaves are there. Not only one leaf. How we have many lots of hair, like this a plant have lots of leaves. Okay, for that leaf will make food for the plant. For that a plant can grow from small to big. How we are eating regularly every day food and water drinking, for that we are growing. So like this plant will take water and minerals from the soil, and who will making food for the plant? That leaves are making the food for the plant. Okay, understood? So leaves function is leaves makes food for the plant. See student, these are the leaves, that leaves make the food for the plant. Now fourth one will come. Fourth part is, who will say? Flower. Very good. FLOWER. Flower. Flowers. What are the function of the flowers? So flowers make the seed for the plant. First one is, flower makes seeds for or fruit. Flower make seeds or fruit. Second one, the flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. And the flower give beautiful look to the plant. So first of all thing, we add apple. So flower, you see student, first of all thing, flower makes seed or fruit. We know the seed and fruit, difference of fruits, mango, apple. So flower makes that seeds and fruit. Flower gives the beautiful look to the plant. So see student, here it is a very good plant, it is a apple tree. See that plant, that flower is top position, that flower will gives a beautiful look, it is looking very beautiful, yes or no, because the flower is there. So flower gives a beautiful look to the plant. Here also see how many fruits also there. So flower will give first seeds and fruit, then flower will give beautiful look to the plant. See student, it is a plant, see it is flower is there. So because of this flower, the plants looks very beautiful. If I will pluck the flower, it will not look that much beautiful. So flower gives beautiful, or flowers will give to the plant, or flowers will give the fruits and seeds. So student, see, and this plant, this part is called flower, flower, flower part. Okay, so flower part you might have seen in different trees. See, this is the plant, and this plant flower is there, this is the flower part. So there are 4 types of part of our plant body. So first one is root, okay, then second one is stem or trunk, third one is leaves, and fourth one is lastly flower. See student, this is flower. Understood? I hope everybody understood. So once again I will tell you. See student, how it is a plant, like this marigold also a plant. See, this is the root part, and this is the root part which is inside the soil. This is the black color soil, okay, root will be inside the soil. And this is the stem, you see, this is the stem, and here trunk is there, means it is big, so it is a trunk. So it is a small plant, so it is a stem. And these are the leaves, and fruits are there, or branches, and here leaves are there, here also leaves are there. Another part flower is there, another part here flower is no flower, only fruits are there. That means after flower become a fruit. So these are the parts of the plant body. There are 4 parts of the plant body. First one is root, that is root. Stem, third one is leaves, fourth one is flower, that is flower. So everybody clear? All of you clear, is it? So I hope everybody clear. So student, there are 4 types of our parts of the plant body. First one is root, second one is stem or trunk. This is the root, stem or trunk. Central part leaves, which makes the food, and flowers, which gives the beautiful to the plant, and fruit and seeds to the plant. When you might have eaten that apple fruit, inside the apple fruit there are black seeds are there. So it is who gives, that flower gives the fruit or seeds. Understood? Third one is leaves, fourth one is flower. So there are 4 parts of the plant body. Once again I am telling you: root, stem, leaves, and flower. So student, now we successfully completed our second lesson. So that is the types of plant, and today we completed the parts of the plant. Now your time, you have to see the video, whatever I written on the notebook, you have to copy to your notebook and watch the video fully. Clear student? I hope everyone understood properly. So student, thank you, take care.